Yeah, say hi to Lola. Yeah. Lola, they are already here to visit you. Okay. Mamaya. Yan. Friends, what are friends for? 19 years. 19 years. In the making, 19 years. At last, Canada, Philippines, USA.
Wala pa, dito sa Amerika magkita.
Sandaan na to. Yan. Yan. Sino pa? Aaron. Yan si Aaron. Ayan. Good morning. Ayan. Good afternoon.
Mama, hot chocolate, Tim Hortons.
Ayan. Ayan.
I love you.
Ayan. Ayan.
Mama. Hello, we're back na ulit dito.
Yeah. Okay.
Kamusta, Mama?
Okay. We're here. Going to wild lunch. Yan. Yan. Okay. From Canada, press from Canada, USA, Philippines, Canada, here in California. Hello! Nandito na, USA, Philippines, Canada.
Dito ni ano, no?
Oh, okay. Okay. Hello, good morning. We are going to Cebu City or to the Island Pacific. This is the second day of from the visitor from Canada, Mr. Arnold Alorde, together with his brother Captain Galio and his wife Annabelle. Here we go. We are going there to buy some seafood for Kinilaw. And that's our brand of food that we have going to eat today. So we have go to Island Pacific or Seafood City for the breakfast. Buy one, take one. So we have to go there now. Okay, see you there. Bye.
Ano, artista po daw. Kap.
Kaway, Kap.
Hi. Hi. You like?
This is
1 minute up. This is Bokoy Bogoy.
strike again.
Strike again. Transporter from LA. Activated. Bilis na ako. Ha?
40.
Ano mga speed dito?
40.
Biswood. Biswood na driver in LA. How many years you driving in LA?
25 years. But in the Philippines, I'm driving bicycle. Bicycle. And now here, I'm driving a car.
You're a brand new car?
Not my brand new car, but it's already old. It's 2016. 10 years. Police now.
Balik siya mo?
Yan o. Likod gilid. Oh. Here we go. We are going to Cebu City. Yeah. Banding time.
Apit ka?
Roller coaster, no?
Roller coaster. Libre, no? May break ba?
Ay. Kaya ito na break lang.
Paano mabag ka? Kita kayo hinahili pa matagpag, di ba? Kaya wala.
Therefore, you will sit sa mata.
Yeah. Dami ah. Bago pre.
Abonado.
May sa ano. Kasi po dito. Breakfast.
Breakfast.
With my 2 BFF. And Mungkoy Pugoy. Mungkoy Pugoy, taga Sanding. Traveling on August. Video?
We are here in the Island Pacific by Orquinila. This is the guys. Okay. Oh.
Liquor, oh. Oh, ha? Pugoy, Pugoy.
Tuloy po kayo. Tuloy po kayo. Tuloy po kayo.
Hindi po kayo sa... What's that?
No.
Ano?
Tuna?
Wala na.
Ha?
Wala na tuna. Ito, ano? Hindi pareho yung pinili natin, no? Oo.
Hindi na
Tayo
naman.
nabili tayo.
No more tuna?
Tuna meat.
Yeah, tuna.
Only the collar and the belly.
I
But the tuna meat, no more.
Will you be the delivery? But before
Yeah.
I had lunch. I buy lunch.
Yeah, but no.
What time?
Maybe
What day?
maybe Thursday, maybe because it's not really fresh anymore.
Ah, no.
It's still good for frying, for chilling, but for ceviche, no.
Kaliwa pa. Danggit?
Danggit.
Yan.
Balik. Butterfish. This is good. Walang tinik.
Ay, prito.
Prito.
$3.
Ha?
$3.
Hindi, magluto na ito ni Amorin.
Upo.
Opo. Yes, ma. Yan, pump na.
Halo.
Talong.
Ayan.
laman, isa? Lagyan mo isang laman.
Ito? Marag kayo sa may.
Ha?
Kala nga.
Ayan lang.
Tama na.
Okay.
Pero,
So many decades in the market.
We market.
Per ton,
We buy a ton of fish, fried, any kind of fish,
no, you don't need
lot
to.
of fish.
You don't need to fry.
Yeah, you don't need to fry, just to eat, warm and eat.
Ako,
Yeah. No meat, no red meat. All seafoods. That's what
healthy living.
healthy living for a longer life. And here we are, there we go. We are in 605 freeway, going home. We are waiting for the meals, the breakfast, buy one take one in Cebu
Nagluto na daw,
City.
nagluto na daw dyan, John.
Ha?
Nagluto na daw.
luto dyan.
Breakfast. Ay, kuya, tapos na. Luto to. Paspas.
Okay.
Day lunch.
See you on the next vlog.
Wow.
Bye.
Close.